Welcome. Today I would do this stand here in my kitchen and give it a little summer refresh. I'm just using some to wipe it down, the stand. I will start down at the bottom here, and I will put this vase on the stool that I use when I have to reach up to the higher places. And I'm just going to put a couple of bottles of water. Sometimes I like it cold, and sometimes I do not. So I can just reach here and get one. And let us just go on and decorate. You can see what I'm doing. This is my cake stand. And I keep this blue plate in it. I picked these cakes up from the grocery store. And I'm just going to fill the plate up. Eight came in a box for nearly $4. This is not only to satisfy the sweet tooth, but it looks inviting to the place where you're setting them, whatever type of snack you have, especially those who have sweet tooth. At any given time, it helps the place that you are decorating feel a little more cozy and inviting. Then we're going to put this stand here. And we'll set this plate here. And then the last spot in the middle of the table, I'll put my book back. I'll turn it the long way this time. And put the blue vase here, this go round. Look how welcoming that feels just along. And then I will put just some greenery in it. I'm going to see if I can get all 3 of these. Yes. Here is the reveal. Thank you. This is Stephanie at Traditional Home. Go and hit the like button or the thumbs up. Subscribe and leave me a comment. Thank you. Have a great rest of your weekend.